Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cover numbers in paint by numbers. Begin by painting all areas with lighter colors first. This helps avoid smudging darker paints onto lighter sections. Apply your paint in thin, even layers, which allows for better coverage and a smoother finish. For those tiny numbered sections, a small, fine-tipped brush is your best friend for precise application. Sometimes numbers can be a bit stubborn. The key is patience. Always let each layer of paint dry completely before applying another. This prevents mixing and ensures a solid base. If a number is still peeking through after the first coat, simply apply a second thin layer. For really persistent numbers, try a gentle dabbing motion with your brush to deposit a bit more paint. Choosing the right brush is crucial. Use a fine-tipped brush for small details and a slightly larger one for broader areas. Pay attention to your paint's consistency. If it's too thin, it won't cover the numbers effectively, so ensure it has a good, creamy texture. If your paint feels a bit too thick, adding just 1 or 2 drops of water can help it flow smoothly without losing its opacity. As you near completion, remember a few final tips. Always try to work from the top of your canvas downwards. This prevents accidentally smudging wet paint with your hand. Thoroughly clean your brushes between each color change to maintain true hues and avoid muddying your artwork. And finally, resist the urge to overload your brush. A small, controlled amount of paint is usually all you need for excellent coverage.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.